So I ordered some really cool mounts to mount the fridge and other stuff down to the rear gear plate that we built. They're supposed to be delivered this evening, so while we wait, I figure we can install the wiring for the ARB fridge. Now we're to the fun part. I have to drill a hole in order to run the wire and mount this nice ARB plug. I use this in my Jeep, and I'm going to use it in the 4Runner simply because I can use the same cord to move the fridge back and forth if we want to put the fridge in either vehicle. One nice thing about this kit is ARB really has thought of a lot. You can see in there, they actually mark what side's negative and positive, so you don't have to get your meter out or guess which part of the socket is which. That's really nice. I like that idea. All right. Alright, let's see if it works. This is the whole reason we did this right here. Yeah, that looks nice. So you may be asking, why go through all this trouble to wire this port in? Well, two reasons. One, you get this style of connector, which is really nice. 12 volt sockets, your typical outlets in cars. They have a habit of coming loose when you're going off-road, and this, because it screws in with a solid connection, it won't ever come undone going down the road. It won't wiggle loose, which is nice. You know your fridge is always going to run. The second reason is just 12 volt outlets in cars aren't usually up to snuff. The wiring isn't usually quite big enough to run a fridge when the vehicle is turned off. It is when it's on, but when it's turned off, it's not enough usually. Moment of truth here, will it turn on? And it does. I just heard the compressor kick on. Perfect. Alright, so there you have it. ARB fridge wiring in a 4Runner. It worked out really well. Now, we are gonna pack for a trip because we have one day till we get out of here. So with that, guys, that's all the time we have for this video. Thank you for watching. Really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you in the next one.